Meaning of electric eel.
Electric eel.
Electric eel.
Electric eel.
Electric eel. An electric eel is a type of fish that can generate electric shocks through its body. This allows it to stun prey, defend against predators, and navigate its environment. The electric eel has specialized organs called electrocytes that produce the electric current. These organs are arranged in such a way that they create a powerful electric field around the eel's body. When the eel detects an object in its environment, it can send a shock to either stun or communicate with the object. Overall, the electric eel is a fascinating and unique animal with impressive abilities.